Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Coach. I'm very excited with this unboxing because this is my Christmas present. And this probably is the last bag I purchased before 2022. And I didn't get this from Coach. I get this from Saks Fifth Avenue. I asked for them to gift wrap this bag, but looking at the box, it looks a little small. It's another Field Tote 40, and this is the other Field Tote 40 I have. So I do have some concern looking at this packing. I guess they are squishing my bag, but we'll see. We have the receipt. Yeah, I don't think they follow my instruction, because the last time when I asked for gift wrap, it did come with a Saks Fifth Avenue gift box, and this one, other than the shipping package, it just came in this plastic bag. I guess they want to save their packaging, but if you are buying it for friends or family as a gift and you ask for a gift wrap option, I think this is really not cool, and so you may want to be aware of that. Potentially it happens. Even with Coach, sometimes happens too. Let's take it out. So this is their quilted Field Tote 40. Let me put the box away and take out the wrapping. I really try not to get this one because I haven't been using my Field Tote a lot because of how big the bag is. But when I went into the store the other day and holding the bags in my hand, I just feel like I need this. No, I don't need more bags. I just really wanted this bag, and I bought it from Saks Fifth Avenue because they sent me a 20% off coupon, and it works on all Coach bags. So in case you're not aware of it, you could sign up newsletter on Saks Fifth Avenue website, and from time to time they will send you 20% off coupon. I think I have received it multiple times now. So I used the coupon to get this bag. Still, knowing Coach, we know this is a seasonal items. If this bag doesn't get sold out soon, we may see on clearance website or outlet website for 50% off, and that's kind of typical Coach. But because of how much I love this look, I'm willing to take the risk and get it now, as winter is only a couple more months left. So oh, surprise! This time it does come with a dust bag. The previous one I got, I didn't get a dust bag. Dust bag is great because a lot of people use it when travel through airport, because big size tote like that is really useful for travel, and you can put it in the dust bag when you have to stuff your bag under the seat. So bring your dust bag with you when you travel with your bags. Okay, look like I found the straps. I have to remove all the stuffing and strap and come back. It's just too complicated. Okay, I'm back from unloading all the packing material and the stuffing. Now let's look at this bag. It's really soft. It feels like lambskin, but from what I remember, I don't think it's lambskin leather. But the texture and the feel of it kind of feel like this soft lambskin, but it's not. I believe it's not. If I was wrong, I will correct it in the description. At the back, you don't have a logo. This is the front, and I just love this puffy, squishy hang tag. So for the older version of the Field Tote, it came with a separate pouch, that removable pouch. But this one, for this one, it has pretty big size zip pocket. Inside the bag, I don't think it is suede. It feels like, I'm not sure if it is suede or microfiber. It's this black soft material lining inside. I know, it does look like a big black hole inside the bag. And this is the strap that came with it. You can carry it for crossbody or on your shoulder. Really good quality crossbody strap. And compared to older version, look like they haven't changed much in terms of the size. So here's the comparison. Yes, it's basically the same size. Also, I want to show you this Coach Dempsey 40 from their outlet collection. So for comparison, the size is pretty similar. I think the only big difference is the side of it. The outlet version is not as deep, as you can see. The bottom here is not as deep. The Field Tote 40 is deeper and probably can carry more stuff. But the Dempsey 40, the handle could fold inside. I think that's the benefit of it. I understand that. I think it does look more well put together with this kind of design, but it would be nice to have something that you can fold in to keep the minimalistic look. Since the Field Tote 40 is basically a big black hole, so I thought I would pull out my bag organizer that I bought for my ONTHEGO to see if it fits. Yeah, the size is pretty close. The depth may not be as wide as this Field Tote, so I actually like that. That means I could put my iPad Pro on the outside and then use this bag organizer to organize my stuff. So recently I like to do kind of a weight test with new bags I bought. This is my laptop, 70-inch laptop, and the length is 14-inch across. It's a pretty heavy laptop for today's standard. So let's try. You can see the size is pretty close, but you can say it fit perfectly. Look at that. And let's see how is the weight feel. It feels good. It doesn't feel like it will put too much pressure on the handle. I think the design of this Field Tote 40, it distributes the weight better than some other bags I have. And I forgot to show you the bottom. Bottom is this smooth leather bottom and has this gunmetal color metal fit down there. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward tote bag. I hope Coach doesn't cut the price too soon, too much right after I bought this bag. This bag is kind of pricey for a tote bag, but I just really love how squishy and puffy this bag looks. And this is a seasonal item. If you still want it, you can try to look it up on Saks Fifth Avenue. I believe it's currently marked as sold out on Coach website, but not sure if it's really sold out or I know sometimes Coach, when they do certain sales and promotion, they would kind of pull their stock temporarily so that you can't use discount code on certain bags. So, but who knows? I'm gonna put things away and then maybe do some mark shot to show you how it fit on me. So this is how it hangs. Hopefully you could see the whole bag. So maybe this bag is still new. I'm not sure, but I do notice an issue with this puffy structure is it really pulls the bag open. The magnetic closure really not doing anything for this bag. I think it's just too much resistance from the structure, the puffiness really pull this bag open. Compared to the Dempsey Tote and the regular Field Tote 40, you would still able to close the bag with the magnetic closure. This one, I think I need to use it a little bit more. Hopefully the bag relax a little bit, and so that the magnetic closure would find each other better. Right now, it just pull open. Not sure you can see. It just kind of easily pull open. So this is how it looks on me, and I love this, and I'll try to use it when I travel. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful 2022. Happy New Year!